Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me. A person who has a Renault 1500 DCI engine from 2012. With the flow meter connected, it emits a lot of smoke through the exhaust pipe, and you have realized that by disconnecting the flow meter, or MAF sensor, it almost does not emit any smoke. And you ask, let's see if changing the flow meter will solve the problem. Well, my advice is that before changing any parts, try to clean them. Here you not only have to clean the flow meter, but in addition to cleaning the flow meter, or MAF sensor, clean the MAP sensor as well. It is very important. And clean also, if it is independent, the IAT sensor. When it emits that smoke, it is because the ECU does not have exact information on the flow of air that is entering the engine. So what it is doing is injecting more fuel than necessary. That is why you see that black smoke. And what happens when disconnect the flow meter? Well, in many engines, when you disconnect the flow meter, what the ECU does is use the values that it has pre-established at the factory. And that is why you can notice a certain improvement. In some vehicles, you even notice that they have even more power. But as I said, that is due to the pre-established factory values. That is why I tell you, before changing any part, try to clean them, since in many cases the problems are solved in this way. And if not solve the problem by cleaning it, because you have it really broken. So yes, you would have to change it. But I insist, clean it first. You can use to clean these parts a MAF sensor cleaner, which leaves no residue or zero residue, or you can use a cleaner of electrical contacts, but also of zero waste. Well, here you have the short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.